Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking your account and adding immediate protections. Go to Settings, right arrow Privacy, and flip on Private Account so only approved followers see your posts. Once done, enable two-factor authentication. Use an authenticator app for stronger security than SMS. Next, review your follower list and remove people you do not trust, or use Restrict to limit interactions without a block. These actions give you control now and reduce exposure, while you adjust deeper settings. Now you tighten how people interact with you. In Privacy, right arrow Story, choose Close Friends for sensitive posts and hide story sharing. Also set real audience limits. Make sure to turn off activity status so others cannot see when you are online, and disable read receipts where available to maintain privacy. Then configure comment and message filters to auto-hide offensive words and block or restrict repeat offenders. These middle steps prevent unwanted contact while keeping your account. To finish, secure recovery and review data access. Download your data to see what Instagram stores, then check apps and websites to remove third parties you do not recognize. Make sure your password is unique and strong, and update recovery email and phone number so you can regain access if needed. Use Account Center to control cross-app sharing and add an emergency contact. If something goes wrong, first revoke app access, change your password, and recheck 2FA. That fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.